The plate compactor will be well packaged to avoid damage during transportation and storage. Open the box. The machine can be seen intact inside the box. The video shows the machine and other included accessories. To install the handle, first insert the rubber bearing into the mounting hole. Then attach the handle to the machine. Use the following accessories to secure the handlebar. Install the screws, washers, and nuts in sequence to secure the handlebar. Then use tools to tighten the fasteners. Installation tools must be provided by yourself. Then unscrew the screws from the other half of the handle. Align the gear slots at the connection point and install the handle. Then insert the screw and secure it with a nut. Then use tools to tighten and secure it. After securing, the handle can rotate up and down and will not bend. To install the throttle, place it on one side, insert the screw, and tighten the nut to secure. To install the exhaust deflector, insert it into the exhaust outlet with the outlet facing downward to the right. Then use tools to tighten and secure. Unscrew the oil dipstick and prepare to add 4-stroke engine oil. Oil selection: 5W30 in winter, 10W40 in summer. Use a tool to add 1 ounce of engine oil. Unscrew the fuel tank cap and prepare to add gasoline. Fuel type: regular unleaded gasoline. Turn the fuel switch to the on position. Open the throttle to about half position. Press down the decompression valve. Pull the starter rope slowly several times to allow diesel fuel to fully enter the engine. Note: the machine must be started on a slightly soft surface to avoid damage. Press the decompression valve before each start. First pull gently to resistance, then pull forcefully to start. This two-step process prevents kickback from sudden full pulls. Adjust the compaction effect by operating the throttle. After work is completed, turn off the throttle switch to shut down the machine. Turn the fuel switch to the OFF position.